trust the devil, you know. As if I had any choices, 'cause I've been making a hell of my own. It's time to pick my poison. My blood is thick with venom, got your fangs under my skin.